Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll look at how to add an Instagram icon to the Divi Person module. The Person module, part of the Divi theme, is a versatile tool that helps you showcase team members or individuals on your website. It allows you to include details like their name, position, bio, and social media links. However, by default, the module doesn't offer an option for an Instagram icon or link. We'll show you a simple way to add this feature to make your profiles even more engaging. Let's get started. To add an Instagram icon to the Divi Person module, we'll use the Divi Booster plugin. This plugin provides a setting called Instagram Profile URL that makes it easy to include a custom Instagram icon in the Person module. Once set up, the icon will display and link directly to the Instagram profile of your choice. Let's walk through how this works. Now let's add the Instagram profile URL. In the Person module settings, look for the field labeled Instagram Profile URL under the Content settings. Here, you'll need to type in the full Instagram profile address for the team member. For example, you could enter something like instagram.com/JaneDoe. This step ensures that when visitors click the Instagram icon, they'll be taken directly to the correct profile. Once you've finished updating the settings in the Person module, it's time to make your changes live. Click the Publish button at the top of the Divi Builder. After that, preview your page on the front end to see your updated Person module in action. This will allow you to confirm that everything looks and works as expected. Now that you've published the changes, it's time to verify that everything looks right. On your live page, check the Social Links section of the Person module, located just below the team member's details. You should see the new Instagram icon included. It should be styled to match your design and link directly to the Instagram profile URL you entered. Take a moment to click the icon and confirm it navigates correctly. And there you have it. Adding a custom Instagram icon to the Divi Person module using the Divi Booster plugin is a simple yet effective way to enhance your team member profiles. By making social connections more accessible, you create a more engaging experience for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!